Hello, in this video I will show you how to install a RAR application on Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store. Now click on search bar and type in RAR and click search. And now click install. And click open. Now you have to allow this application to access to your files, and then you can click back. Now you can allow this application to display notifications, and now click dismiss and you can use your application. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.